Welcome to the Edge of Innovation with InSource, the podcast that takes you on a thrilling ride through the world of digital transformation. In this episode, InSource's Jennifer Alanskis gives Cody Miller a sneak peek at the InSource Innovate 2024 Conference and Expo being held in Hilton Head, South Carolina in September. Over to you, Cody and Jen.
Well, thank you so much, Jen, for coming out and doing this today. It's great to be doing another episode of the Edge of Innovation, and I'm so happy to be here with you today and kind of learn more about what InSource Innovate actually is. So I guess I'll just kind of open up with that. Why does InSource actually hold an event like this?
Well, the InSource Innovate is more than just a conference. It's a unique platform where we designed it to put together industry professionals, thought leadership, and then just innovators from across manufacturing automation sectors. By hosting the InSource Innovate, we aim to really empower our attendees with the knowledge and the tools and the skill sets that they need to drive their organization forward, while also creating a space with collaboration and networking can flourish for them.
So can you kind of speak as to more of the evolution of the event, like how it came to be, where was the original thought behind it? What was it like in its baby stages, and how did it get to the full-grown adult that it is today?
Sure.
So can you kind of speak more to the evolution of the event? Where did it come from, and how did it get here, and what was like the growing process of all of that?
Sure thing. Well, the evolution is actually very interesting. We used to do 7 events, and then we combined them just to one. Unfortunately, this was a little bit before me. I came in around a very interesting time when, after the 7 events, we realized that we really wanted to unify them. But Katie, can you speak a little bit about how the seven events went?
Sure, I'd love to. So I think it was back in 2017, 2016, somewhere in there, we started an event called the InSource Brew Tour. We would go around to various breweries, lots of fun, and invite our clients to come and join us for a day of learning and then a couple drinks afterwards. But we realized over time that it wasn't practical to continue this 7-city tour. It was too big for us. It was too big for our clients. And so we couldn't offer them elevated experience like we can with the InSource Innovate conference. And it also made it difficult for our partners because they would have to commit to 7 events as opposed to one larger event. And so this gave us the opportunity to combine all of that great practical knowledge, the workshops, the experience with our partner vendors, the experience with our clients into one place.
Well, yeah, that's all awesome. I think it's really great that, we've kind of figured out how to take what we learned in the past and kind of hone it in a little more. And, with that being said, I guess now that you kind of focused in from, what you've done in the past, what is the focus of this event specifically?
So the theme of the InSource Innovate is really connect, collaborate, and celebrate. And the focus of InSource Innovate kind of encapsulates the connect part, where it's connecting the industry professionals from various sectors and kind of unifying them to see that a lot of the products that they use can actually be interchangeable between each of the industries that are out there. Collaborating on the innovative solutions and the ideas that are out there and how everything is so ever changing. And then just celebrating the achievements and the advancements of the manufacturing automation sectors and our attendees as well, because they're the ones who are on the front line. They're the ones who are really utilizing these automation tools and kind of showcasing everything.
Well, speaking of innovation and, making improvements, what kind of changes have you done to kind of make it, I guess, a better experience for the clients that come to this event this year?
Sure. As Katie mentioned, we really kind of evolved this event, and it's really been a remarkable change. Last year was our first InSource Innovate one-stop shop conference. This year, after kind of looking into what we did with the conference and all the information that we received, we decided to introduce several different little changes to help make this conference better. One of the things that was significant is that we actually added in another workshop. We found that instead of having 2 workshops, 3 would be a little bit better, and also allow for a wider range of audience and attendees to kind of join in on those workshops. Another more exciting advance or innovative change that we kind of added into there was the networking opportunities. We decided that we needed a little bit more time for our partners and our attendees to really talk to each other and really
Mhm.
get to know each other. We also included different activities that allow for a little bit more fun in that aspect as well while you're networking. It kind of helps, loosen the juices when it comes to talking to people you may not actually know.
Yeah, and I like that you touched a lot on networking. I think that's very important about events. I think that's something that we kind of get lost a lot in whenever we moved so much into a virtual environment.
Hmm.
And I think it's so incredibly important that we get the opportunity to meet people that could potentially not only change our workforce but even our own personal lives. So I think it's really great that we take those opportunities to network. And speaking of networking and opportunity, what's kind of some of the guest speakers and partners that's going to show up at this event that people will have the chance to network with?
Well, we're super excited this year. Have Aviva top executive leadership coming in, speaking, doing keynotes. We also have BrainCube being one of our guest speakers there. They're going to talk about the analytics and how AI kind of comes together. And we also have a very special presentation from a current customer, and our current customer will highlight their success and how these products change their facility for the better. What some of their hardships were and how these different tools that they utilize in their factory just made everything a different. Our partners too, who also play a very crucial role in making this event a success, will also showcase their cutting edge technologies, and it'll allow them to talk to our attendees and show them with the other products that are around that these tools will enhance all the features that they're looking for.
All right, well, you've sold me, but I have to admit, as you can see from the wrinkles on my face, I'm a bit of an old man. You have to explain, how do I register for this?
Of course, of course. So, registering for the InSource Innovate and finding more information is super easy, let me tell you. So, simply visit our official event website, our hub, where you'll find a whole bunch of different details. You'll actually find individual information about the speakers itself. You'll find out more about the agenda, and then also a know before you go, where if you are bringing a guest, you can go ahead and have them have little activities while you're doing all the sessions, you're learning. There's something for everyone there. So we have two places where you can find out information, our registration page, and then just the conference hub itself.
You mentioned there was something for everyone, but what I really want to know is, what's in it for you? Because you seem like you've done a lot of hard work for this event. What are you most excited for here?
Ooh, that's a tough question, but honestly, I'm really excited for both the lineup of the hands-on workshops and the networking sessions, because I really do think the networking sessions are very valuable. They'll also be able to network with not only the speakers, the partners, in-source solutions, but just other attendees in general. So I think those two directly really leave a big opportunity to learn and grow and just learn maybe new tips and tricks from people you didn't know that could give you that.
Well, if I thought anybody could have made Hilton Head better, I would have said no way, but it sure sounds like you managed to make it happen. So I think that everybody's looking forward to this event, and, we can't wait to see what happens here in September. So thank you so much for coming on, and I'm so glad to have heard of what everything that you have to say.
No, thank you guys for having me. I'm super excited and can't wait to see everyone at InSource Innovate 2024 Conference and Expo.
Great. Thanks, Jen. Thanks, Cody. And thank you for tuning in. Visit our website, insource.solutions, to learn more and register for InSource Innovate. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from InSource and our partners. And until next time, stay on the edge of innovation.